Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies and uncovering the hidden secrets of a truly remarkable oil, castor oil. Known for its extensive list of health benefits and versatile uses, castor oil has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But did you know there are many lesser-known benefits of this miraculous oil that can enhance your well-being in unexpected ways? In this video, we'll explore 11 hidden benefits of castor oil that you probably didn't know about. Stick around to discover how this humble oil can transform your health, beauty, and home. 1. Enhances hair growth. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid that penetrates deep into the scalp and stimulates hair follicles. Regular application can help improve blood circulation, providing essential nutrients to the hair roots. This not only promotes hair growth, but also makes your hair thicker, shinier, and less prone to breakage. For best results, mix castor oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and massage it into your scalp before bed. 2. Natural moisturizer for skin. Castor oil is an excellent natural moisturizer, thanks to its high concentration of fatty acids. It penetrates deeply into the skin, hydrating and softening it without clogging pores. Its anti-inflammatory properties also make it beneficial for treating conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Apply a small amount to your face or body after a shower to lock in moisture and keep your skin looking radiant and healthy. 3. Soothes sunburns. The anti-inflammatory and soothing properties of castor oil can help alleviate the pain and redness associated with sunburns. Applying a thin layer of castor oil to the affected area can provide instant relief and promote faster healing. Its hydrating effects also help to prevent peeling and flaking, leaving your skin smooth and supple. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Its high vitamin E content and fatty acids promote skin regeneration and improve elasticity. Regular massage with castor oil can help lighten scars and stretch marks over time, making them less noticeable. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil has powerful antimicrobial properties that can enhance your immune system. Topical application on the skin stimulates the production of lymphocytes, the body's natural defense cells that fight off pathogens and toxins. Using castor oil packs on the abdomen can also improve lymphatic drainage and boost overall immunity. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective remedy for relieving joint and muscle pain. Massaging warm castor oil into sore areas can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, providing relief from pain and stiffness. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like arthritis and fibromyalgia. 7. Treats fungal infections. Castor oil's antifungal properties make it an excellent natural remedy for treating fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, and toenail fungus. Applying castor oil directly to the affected area can help eliminate the infection and prevent it from spreading. For stubborn infections, mix castor oil with tea tree oil for added potency. 8. Promotes wound healing. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it an effective treatment for minor cuts, scrapes, and wounds. Applying a small amount to the wound can help prevent infection and promote faster healing. Its moisturizing effects also keep the skin hydrated, preventing scarring. 9. Improves digestive health. Castor oil has been used as a natural laxative for centuries. Its active compounds stimulate the muscles in the intestines, promoting bowel movements and relieving constipation. However, it should be used with caution and under medical supervision, as excessive use can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. 10. Enhances eyebrow and eyelash growth. If you're looking to enhance your eyebrows and eyelashes, castor oil is a natural and effective solution. Its nourishing properties help strengthen the hair follicles, promoting thicker and fuller growth. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyebrows and eyelashes with a clean mascara wand before bed for best results. 11. Natural lip balm. Castor oil can also be used as a natural lip balm to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Its thick consistency forms a protective barrier that locks in moisture, preventing chapping and cracking. For added benefits, mix castor oil with a few drops of essential oils like peppermint or lavender for a soothing and aromatic lip balm. As you can see, castor oil is much more than just a household remedy for constipation. Its wide range of benefits makes it a versatile addition to your health and beauty regimen. From promoting hair growth to soothing sunburns, the hidden benefits of castor oil are truly remarkable. So why not give it a try and experience these amazing benefits for yourself? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.